Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video on how to seed tomato plants, where we unlock the secrets to growing these juicy, flavorful, delightful from seed. In this video, we shall show you step by step how to plant tomato seeds and give you tips and tricks to make sure the seeds germinate and plants grow properly. Number 1. Choose the right seeds. Look at the wide range of tomato seeds that are available and choose ones that suit your taste, growing conditions and type of tomato you want to grow. There is many kinds of tomatoes, from sweet cherry tomatoes to meaty beefsteak tomatoes. Number 2. Get ready for success. By getting the necessary tools such as seed trays, seedling pots, seed starting mix, and a light source. Make a mix of soil that drain well is moisture but not too wet. This makes the right conditions for the seed to grow. Number 3. Planting the seeds. Learn how to plant tomato seeds in your seed tray or pots in the right way. Press the seed gently into the soil, cover them with a little more soil, and mixture them lightly with water. For the best germination, put the tray in a warm, well lit place or under grow lights. Number 4. Caring for the seedlings. Learn the most important things to do care for your tomato seedlings. They should be watered often enough to keep the soil evenly moisture but not soggy. Give the seedling a balanced fertilizer as they grow to help them grow in a healthy way. Consider giving it support like stakes or cages to make sure it grows strong and straight. Number 5. Transplanting and thriving. Once your tomato seedlings have strong stems and several sets of leaves, learn how to move them to bigger pots or your garden beds. As they continue to grow, give them the right amount of sunlight, water and food, and watch as they become healthy tomato plants. It's fun and rewarding to start tomato plants from seeds because you get to see the whole life cycle of these tasty fruits. If you choose the right seeds, give them the best place to grow, and care for seedlings, you can get a lot of homegrown tomatoes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks like how to transplant, prune, and care for your tomato plants. Stay tuned for our next videos where we shall talk more about how great it is grow your own food. Get ready to enjoy the taste of tomatoes you grew yourself. Thank you for watching.